In Hong Kong, skyrocketing rents and endless housing waitlists plague countless families. Land is scarce, and traditional construction can't keep up. Enter Modular Integrated Construction, MIC, a game changer that builds faster, smarter homes to tackle these pressing social challenges. Across the city, MIC is rewriting the rules of housing. In crowded districts, it delivers homes where space seemed impossible, easing the strain on families stuck in limbo. For the grassroots, it means shorter waits and better living conditions. Not just roofs, but dignity. Beyond homes, MIC crafts vital spaces like clinics and learning hubs, bridging gaps in healthcare and education access. Its speed slashes construction delays, bringing relief to a city that can't afford to wait. Even in tight urban corners, MIC proves that innovation can solve old problems. What does this mean for people? Let's hear from those living it.
先生，我想問下你係咪住呢度嘅居民？我想訪問你啲問題，方唔方便？
訪問乜嘢？
訪問即係因為我學校就係做緊個功課咧，就關於 MIC 嘅，即係組合屋啦。咁然後就想去訪問下呢度嘅住屋環境咁樣。唔知你可唔可以方便抽幾分鐘時間同我做個訪問？
快啲喎！
哦，好啊，好啊。
趕住翻屋企喎。
哦，好，唔好意思。張先生，我想問下，頭入去住嘅時候，第一印象你覺得如何？
非常好喎，我覺得唔錯。政府呢個做得幾好。
咁你覺得對比以前住嗰度咧嘅環境，有冇好咗？
梗係好咗啦！以前住啲板間房，而家以前嗰度50平方都要6000幾蚊，而家呢度咧150幾平方都係4000零蚊，又大咗又好咗啦。
咁你覺得呢啲組合屋咧，會唔會話好簡陋啊？住落去唔舒服咁樣？
都唔會 OK 嘅，唔錯都。
即係比起以前係有好咗嘅。
好咗好多，好咗好多。
咁另外想問下就係會唔會擔心有安全嘅隱患，即係會覺得唔係咁安全嘅，即係冇乜保安咁樣。
保安非常好喎，好過私樓喎，真係啊！
咁你認為呢種房屋啊，對解決香港嘅房屋問題咧，有冇啲咩實質性嘅幫助？
實質性問題多唔多少有啲幫助嘅，不過真係少啊！香港太細啦，地方唔夠。
咁你最後一條問題啦，就想問下隔音同埋採光方面咧，你覺得如何？
隔音你就麻麻地㗎啦，似咗好組合屋。採光就 OK 嘅都。
咁你見農場道咁樣有啲車啊，你平時屋企瞓覺嘅時候，你會唔會覺得好嘈啊咁樣？
都唔好嘈，都唔好嘈 ，OK 嘅。
好，咁最後咁我想問可唔可以去你屋企採訪下咁樣，方唔方便？
呢個唔好方便啊，唔好，即係上屋企就唔好啦。
好啊，明白。咁今次嘅採訪就去到呢度。
仲有，我想問咧，係咪睇唔到個樣？睇唔到個樣㗎？
睇唔到嘅，你放心，我哋會將你合作。唔該晒，唔該晒。
MIC isn't just about building, it's about rebuilding lives. It fights Hong Kong's housing crisis, lifts communities, and reimagines our crowded city. As this method grows, it promises a future where everyone has a fair shot at a decent home.